This week's Drone Video of the Week winner brought us cinematic footage in a pretty unique way. Congratulations to Sakyle for his video, Drone Harmony Lines, the winner of $1,000 for this week's contest. Sakyle used a Sony a6300 for the ground footage, but it was his Armatan Chameleon with a GoPro that brought us the aerials. Flying through trees, around motorcycles, and dirt bikes, Sakyle shows us just how close these racing drones can get while capturing some epic footage. Sakyle has been uploading his videos to Airvuz.com for about a year, and it was his latest video that took home the prize. Congratulations again to Sakyle, who became the third FPV pilot to win the Drone Video of the Week contest. Thanks to everybody who voted, and don't forget to upload your drone videos to Airvuz.com for your chance to win cash.